In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add PayPal payment button to GoDaddy website. We'll start in your GoDaddy account and finish with a PayPal buy button your visitors can click to pay securely. First, open your site's dashboard and go to the store area. This is where commerce settings live for websites plus marketing stores. Next, open Settings, then choose Payments. Payments is the control room for your checkout. Here you'll see all available processors. Locate PayPal and make sure it's turned on. If you see a prompt to connect your PayPal account, follow it and sign in so GoDaddy can complete the connection. When PayPal shows as enabled, you're ready to place a button on your site. Head back to the main dashboard, then open Edit Website. The editor will load your pages so you can decide where the button should appear. Think about the visitor journey. Put purchase options where the decision happens, near a featured product, a pricing section, or a donation callout, so it's easy to act. In the editor, click the plus icon to add a new section, then in the search box type PayPal. This quickly filters the options so you don't have to browse through every category. From the results, choose Sell a Product or Service. This section includes a built-in PayPal checkout, so you get a clean button and the supporting details on one block. Once the section drops onto the page, use the panel on the right to fill in the essentials. Add a clear title, a short description, and a price. Upload an image if you're selling a specific item, and set quantity or variance if they apply. Make sure the payment method shown is PayPal, and glance at currency and tax settings so they match your store configuration. You can also adjust layout and style, such as button size, alignment, and background, so it fits your page design without distracting from the call to action. Use the editor's preview to test the flow. Click the button to confirm it opens the PayPal checkout. You don't need to complete a purchase to verify that the handoff works. If the button doesn't appear or the checkout doesn't launch, return to the payments area and confirm PayPal is still enabled and connected to the correct account. And that's all it takes. You enabled PayPal in your store, edited your website, added the PayPal section, and configured the details, giving your customers a fast, trusted way to pay.